Hello friends, welcome to the toothscorner.com videos. How much chia seeds to eat daily? Let us know about its origin, its composition, benefits and much more. Let us begin. Chia seeds are tiny black seeds derived from the Salvia hispanica plant. They are the healthiest food globally and have a high nutritional value that greatly benefits your health and brain. People in the olden days used chia as the meaning of strength. After years, people are now growing to learn the benefits of this superfood. Hence, now it is being consumed worldwide. Loaded with so much of fiber, people who do not consume such a vast consumption can have side effects of digestion. A standard dose is 20 grams, which is 1.5 tablespoons twice a day. Now let us know the nutritional benefits of chia seeds. Chia seeds induce insoluble fiber, which gives you a feeling of satiety for an extended period. It also helps in the secretion of bulk stool and prevents constipation. Induced with healthy fats, antioxidants, and protein, they fulfill your body's requirements with very little consumption. They have various minerals like calcium, manganese, zinc, niacin, copper, and iron. They have ample omega-3 fatty acids which prevent coronary artery disease and controls terrible cholesterol. According to research, patients with type 2 diabetes can keep their blood sugar levels controlled with chia seeds. It is of such great benefit that there are no side effects related to its consumption. I need to conclude that chia seeds are the number one snack on the health list. They have all the fiber, minerals, antioxidants, and healthy fats. Grabbing a spoonful or two every day might boost your immunity and overall health. Now also let us note few do's and don'ts to know before starting its consumption. However, people who are allergic to it might consult a physician before knowing the correct consumption quantity. People on blood pressure medications must refrain for overconsumption as they have blood thinning components in large doses as they contain plant-based compounds, which reduces the absorption of minerals. So, always consult your physician before initializing anything new to your diet. Thank you.